Did you know that a simple one-page business plan can be the key to turning your passion for woodworking into a thriving business? It's true, and if you stick around for the next few minutes, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create one and how it can set you on the path to success. You might be thinking, business plans are complicated and time-consuming. But, let me tell you, it doesn't have to be that way. In fact, it's as simple as shaping a beautiful piece of wood into something of greater value. A one-page business plan can be your roadmap to success. It's like the blueprint for your woodworking project, essential. Let's break it down into bite-sized pieces, starting with the business summary. Just fill in your business name and type of business. Then, state your mission, your reason why you do what you do. Understand the market. Next, do some market research. Know your audience, estimate the market size, and check out all of your competitors. What sets your business apart from others? These insights will be your secret weapon. Products. Describe your products and services. Whether you're crafting custom cabinetry or unique wooden items like cutting boards, let your products shine. Highlight what makes your product special and wanted by customers. Marketing. Now, the fun part, your marketing and sales strategy. Share where and how you'll promote your wood creations. Think about your pricing strategy and your sales approach. It's all about reaching your customers where they are. This could be online, offline, or both. Operations. Next, dive into your operational plan. Describe your production process, list important suppliers, and materials you'll need on an ongoing basis. Talk a bit about your workspace and how you plan to be organized and efficient. Finances. Money matters. So, you need to estimate your financial projections. What's your startup cost? How much revenue do you expect in the first year? Don't forget to include all your expenses. And if you need startup capital, make it clear how much. Now, set some goals. What do you want to achieve in the short term and long term? Your goals and milestones are your guideposts. Keep them realistic and achievable. Your team, whether it's just you or a group of passionate woodcrafters, is essential. Share information about your team, plus individual roles and responsibilities. And that's it. Your one-page business plan is ready to roll. It's simple, yet powerful, just like the beautiful creations you craft in your woodworking shop. This plan can be your ticket to securing startup funding and/or guiding your growth to the next level. It can be a difference maker for your new business. So, what are you waiting for? Start drafting your one-page business plan today and watch your woodworking business flourish. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep your saws buzzing and your creativity flowing.